Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 8 of the CMA final SFM lease versus buy option. Please read the questions. Look at it. Illustration number 8. Beta Limited considering acquisition of the personal computer costing rupees 50,000. The effective life of the computer is expected to be 5 years and the company plan to acquire the same either by the borrowing from 50,000 from the banket bankers 15% interest rate per annum or lease. The company wishes to know the rental to be paid. Lease rental we have to calculate annually, which match the loan option. You should have to calculate loan option expenditure equal to lease option expenditure. The following further informations are provided. Principal amount of the loan will be paid in a 5 annual equal installments. Interest lease is paid. Principal repayments are to be made at the last year end of the year. The full cost of the computer will be written off over the effective life of the computer straight line basis. It means no salvage value. The company can effective tax rate 40%. The company will be resold 5th year. This commission to be commission to be paid after selling 9% the sale value. You are required to compute the annual lease rental. Lease rental you need to calculate. Look at it. Evaluation of present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Lease rent. Let annual lease rent assumed to be X. Tax saving on lease 40%, that equal to 0.40x. Lease rent net of taxes 0.60x. Now present value factor, about the present value factor, it is written in the questions. This is a interest rate is this 15% and tax rate is of 40%. The discount rate would be interest rate 1 minus tax rate, that is 15% into 1 minus 0.40. This is a 9%. Discount rate is 9%. The present value factor, annuity factor 9% 5 years. This is 3.89. 3.8896. Present value of lease rent. This is 2.33376. 2.33376. 33376x. This is your lease rent, but it is calculated on in terms of x. This x value we need to calculate. Present value of expenditure is due to lease rent is equal to bank borrowing. All the informations of bank borrowings are given. On the basis of that, you need to calculate present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing and equating this lease rent. Then the value of x will come. Okay. In the case of bank borrowing, you have to calculate present value of annual installment, present value of tax saving on depreciation and interest, present value of repair and maintenance, present value of terminal cash inflow. You have to calculate cash inflow. You have to calculate this all. Okay. Now working note. Calculation of annual installment. Installment of principal. Principal is paid in a 5 equal installment. 5 equal installment. 5 equal installment. That is 5 equal installment. 50,000 is the total amount. This is paid in 5 equal installment. That is rupees 10,000. Now working note. Calculation of interest. Interest and present value of installment. Present value of installment. Look at it. This is year 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at it. Loan 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. Because each year we paid 10,000. That's why this principal will decrease by, loan will decrease by 10,000. Interest at the rate of 15%. This 45,000, 3,000, 1,500. Installment. Annual installment. Annual installment is the 10,000 principal plus interest. That is 17,500. 17,500. Principal plus interest 600. That is a 16,000. 14,500. 13,000. 11,500. Present value factor 9%. This is present value. Okay. 0.91743, 0.91743, 0.84168, 84168, 0.77218, 77218, 0.70843, 70843, 0.64993, 64993. Present value 16055, 13467, 13467, 11,197, 9209, 7474. Present value of installment, present value of loan installment 57402, 57402. Now present value of tax saving on depreciation interest. Depreciation Calculation of depreciation. About the depreciation, it is saying full cost of machine, full cost of computer is depreciated, no resale value in 5 years. Scrap value 0. 10,000. Now, working note. Calculation of tax saving on depreciation and interest. This you write here. One, two, three, 4, 5. Interest 7,500, 6,000, 4,500, 3,000, 1,500. Depreciation 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. This is a tax saving amount. $17,500, 16,000, 14,500, 13,000, 11,500. Tax saving 40%. Tax saving 40%. This is a 7,000, 64,000, 6,400, 5,800, 5,200. That is 4,600. Present value factor at the rate of 9%. 0.91743. 0.91743, 0.84168, 84168, 0.77218, 0.70843, 843, 0.6499, 64993. Present value of tax saving 6422, 5387, 4479, 3684, 2989. Total present value of tax saving 22961, 22961. This is the present value of tax saving due to depreciation and tax interest. Now, terminal cash inflow. We need to calculate terminal cash inflow. Calculation of terminal cash inflow. Terminal cash inflow. Terminal cash inflow. Sale value of assets. Brokerage paid. In this question, sale value of assets is 1,700 and fifth year commission 9%. less. Commission paid 9%. Commission paid 9%, 153. Net cash received. Net cash received 1543. Scrap value. This is zero. Scrap value is zero. Short term capital gain 1543. Tax paid 40%, 619. Net terminal cash inflow 928. Present value factor 9% 5 year 0.64993. 64993. Present value of terminal cash inflow 603. Now we have to calculate present value of cash inflow, present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing, present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing. So what will be the present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing? In this case, present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing, look at here, this is a tax saving, this is annual installment 51402. You write here 51402 minus tax saving 22961. 22961 minus 603 minus 603. 22961 minus 603. In this case, what will be this total amount? Five one four zero two minus 22961 minus 603 278. This is 57 57 57 402 minus 22961 minus 603. This is 3383 838. Now what is the lease expenditure due to lease? 2.33376. Okay, this you have to equate. In this case, as per question, present value of lease expenditure equal to present value of bank borrowing. The lease expenditure 2.33376 equal to equal to 33838. X equal to 33838 divided by 2.33376 divide 2.33376, that is 14,499.348,691, that is 14,500. This should be the annual lease charges, so that present value of expenditure due to bank borrowing will be equal to present value of expenditure due to lease rent. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay.